Ever feel like your wardrobe is stuck on repeat? You're not alone. Welcome back, gentlemen. In this episode, we're tackling a common frustration, the limited variety in men's fashion. Many men express that options are either too basic or exorbitantly priced. One Reddit user lamented, "Men's fashion feels so limited. Just shirts, pants, and shoes. I want more variety, but it all seems either boring or ridiculously expensive." The issue isn't just about availability, it's about representation. Men's fashion often lacks the diversity seen in women's wear, leading to a cycle of monotony. But change is possible. Exploring niche brands, experimenting with colors, and embracing accessories can redefine your style. Start by identifying your style icons, investing in versatile pieces, and not shying away from bold choices. Remember, fashion is an expression of self. Don't let limited options define your style. Break free from the mold and let your wardrobe reflect the gentleman you are. Until next time, gentlemen.